Three, two, one. Wait. Hey guys. Well, this is the first time that I'm doing any sort of unboxing with my two beautiful babies. Kindly tell me your names.
My name is Shambhavi Chakravarti and my name is Sangvi Chakravarti.
So today we are going to unbox something which is really very great and it is trending these days, and that is Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. Yes, you heard it right. These are Wayfarer Generation 2. The price listed on this is 45,700 rupees. Let me show you. Shall we start unboxing?
Yeah.
I feel like this box is really very great. Its build quality is great.
Yeah.
And since these are my first Ray-Ban, it has glasses, it has charging case, it has cleaning cloth. Yeah. So just like an iPhone, we are going to unbox this. Do you want to do unboxing?
No, you do. You can do it.
Okay. We have another one. We have
Another thing like oh wow.
Oh wow.
Nice,
This-
so nice.
Looks beautiful. Just like my two beautiful nieces.
Thank you.
So these are my Generation 2 Ray-Ban Meta glasses. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to wear those.
Yes.
It comes with a charging case.
Wow.
So this itself is a charging case. Beautiful design and detailing.
Oh wow. So nice. Yeah, looking nice. You're looking very different also.
Yeah.
You usually don't wear.
So these are my... I think it's already connected, and Ray-Ban is already... Meta is already doing something in my head. We have the camera here, and this blinking light is here,
Yeah.
so that it shows. Rest I'm going to tell you guys later. Okay? And we have got... this is a charging case, which lights up also. I am so excited to share all my things. Do you like it on me?
Yeah. Yes. Very much.
Okay. So these Ray-Ban Meta glasses which I'm wearing as of now, these are M50. We only have two sizes in Ray-Ban Meta. That is M52. That is M50 and L53. So I got my eye tested and I got a sample. That, and why am I getting disturbed is because this is the first time I'm wearing Generation 2 Ray-Ban Meta 2, and some sound is going on because I do not know whatever the functionalities of it, and I really want to thank my Jiju for gifting me these beautiful pair of glasses of Ray-Ban Meta Generation 2. I think these look perfect on my face. The size is perfect fit. And also one more thing is that these glasses are transparent in light and it goes dark green when I go in the sun. Are you guys excited to see those?
Yes.
Do you want to wear these? Kindly wear.
Some type of sound came. Like I just wore it, and like when we start a new iPhone, that type of sound came when I wore it.
Okay.
It's looking very nice. It's very nice. I'm looking very different.
Okay.
You can.
Yeah. Kindly give it to me. Kindly make me wear.
Sorry.